Hi everyone, I'm August. Thanks for being here. Today the TAG team is teaming up with the Liquid Creatives. So the TAG team, Tanya, Creations with Tanya, myself, and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are teaming up with LouiseArt and Epiphany Creations. Today we're celebrating two birthdays, Marie-Louise and Grandma Kathy. I wanted to wish you guys a happy birthday. I'm honored to be celebrating with you both. Marie-Louise, it's been amazing getting to know you these past months. You're all the way in the UK, I'm in California, so it's really cool that we were able to meet and connect through YouTube. Kathy, very happy birthday to you. I love you so much. So honored to be here with you. Love the art that you're creating. You're a complete natural at this. Love the text messages. You have me rolling on a daily basis with your text. Love your sense of humor. Love your kind heart. And I want to wish you a very happy birthday. For the challenge for the group, Marie-Louise said we want to do something fall related. So she said to use a brown base, use 4 fall colors, and do a Dutch pour. I don't know if mine is actually a Dutch pour. I did a couple where it was a legitimate Dutch pour where I blew the paint over the colors and kind of tried to do a design like that, and they did not look good at all. I ended up doing kind of where you put the ribbons down of the color. I blew that out and had a split with the brown on the other side of that. Not the best painting, and also when I finished painting it, which was about an hour ago, I went downstairs, come back up, I find a little bug had flown into it and kind of crawled his way through. So you will see that on the dried results. But cool cells, I have a couple TLPs in there, will all be in the description and in the video. The links for all the videos in this collab are also in the description. Please check them out. Once again, happy birthday, Marie-Louise and Kathy. Hope you guys both have a great day. Thanks everyone for being here. We truly appreciate you.